Hello everyone. I know it's very difficult to speak to the audience after the lunch. I think you don't feel sleepy anymore, huh? I prepare a different presentation for you to be not bored. And my topic is patent search services for the surgeons within the invention contest. And before that, this is Mustafa, first of all, from EBILTEM, Ege University, Turkey. And we are the only one pilot project office in Turkey. And my topic is patent searches for surgeons to create an awareness patenting before publishing. Before starting, I don't know how many of you are aware of EPO has created a hashtag on the Twitter. How many of you have smartphone now in the audience? And you can log into Twitter and mention our hashtag before commenting. Just a reminding. And EBILTEM is the part of Ege University Science and Technology Center, and we are an effective interface between the industry and university to involve them to create new ideas and new projects. And also we are the PATLIB office, and we are performing the technology transfer issues, the new ideas from the academia to commercialize to the market. And also we are connecting to the poles of innovations for the SMEs especially. And what are the units of EBILTEM? We have industry relation unit for the collaborated academicians and SMEs. And also we have organization management unit. We are organizing this kind of conferences in Turkey. And also project coordination unit, especially European Union projects. And another EU coordination unit, and of course PATLIB office. And finally, I know there are a representative of Enterprise Europe Network in the audience, and we are the member of Enterprise Europe Network to commercialize the ideas. And if you talk about our institution very briefly, we have 5 staffs, and we are the pilot project office in Turkey. We are the only one. And also, we are the national coordinator of disseminating IP knowledge in the universities in Turkey, with the support of European Patent Office and Turkish Patent Institute. And we started the pilot project in 2010, and so far we achieved some issues, and 66 patent searches we have performed so far, and 2 patent search trainings. I know this is very small number, but we have done that. And also we have 4 patent strategy development works with companies. And these numbers, I know, it's very small numbers, and we need to increase the number of patent search requests within the pilot project that is mentioned in the working plan. And we thought that how can we do that? And we are starting our office, and we realized that we need to go out. And then we need to be proactive to combine the SMEs and academicians in order to apply for patent searches for their inventions. And we decided to go to invention contest in Ankara and Izmir to raise an awareness of IP issues before publishing. Because the main audience of this invention contest are the academicians who are willing to invent. And we selected the biomedical sector. I know you are asking why this is the main sector, because my institution is emphasizes on this sector to creating opportunities for the development of new technologies for this sector. So we chose biomedical invention contests. And what are the invention contests? As I said, in Ankara, in Izmir, Surgical Research Congress and Asian Surgeons Days. Also we have a booth on that. And what is the purpose of these services? I just mainly express this issue. You know, in Turkey, the patent application numbers are less than the other developed countries, and we need to put an emphasis of raising the IP awareness on IP knowledge among the inventors who are the participants of this contest. And we need to increase the patent search numbers within the working plan we promised to the EPO. And we need to raise, as I mentioned, patenting issue before publishing. And we need to add value to their invention also. And what is our process? We started to, we created an online system to, in order to apply for this service, and all the participants to the invention contest applied for the patent searches, and then we performed the patent searches via some tools I will mention about later on, free of charge, of course. It's a very important issue. And then the scientific committee of the invention contest evaluated the patent search reports that was generated by us according to the search reports, and then these patent application procedures for the best for inventions are performed by the commercial office. It is the part of this service. This commercial office also drafted the patent applications as free of charge. And the next step is, how did we achieve that, as you're all wondering. And I will mention about the steps of this patent search service and the numbers. Totally 19 inventions applied for the contest, and 8 of them are selected for the patent search process by the science steering committee of the contest. They decided that. And then we performed detailed novelty searches and patent mappings with the statistical analysis for these inventions. And then we sent these search reports to the commercial office, whether for the last assessment, whether they are worth to apply for patents, or they include invention steps. And finally, 4 projects are described that they have invention steps, and then therefore these 4 projects are omitted from the contest because of the invention steps, and these projects are not exhibited in the contest. And this commercial office prepared their patent applications to send to Turkish Patent Institute for the grant process. And what about the patent search applications? As I mentioned, we created online system via SurveyMonkey. I know you all this tool, and surveymonkey.com/patent araştırma means search. All the inventors entered their keywords and the details of projects for the search. And also we put an emphasis on the non-disclosure agreement. We offered to all the inventors non-disclosure agreement forms to fill it. Some of them filled that in order to secure their idea, as you all know. And as I mentioned that we use these tools, the Global Patent Index is free of charge for the pilot projects. How many of you use this tool, Global Patent Index, GPI? Some of you are aware. It's really a great tool to create static analysis and visualizations, of course. And we purchased Mateo Patent to create also statistical analysis, and as Pastel and Patent Scope, you know, the free of charge tools, we use that. And for the last step, for the commercialization step, with the Enterprise Europe network, as I mentioned, we are the member of this network, and we are trying to create their technology profiles to disseminate their profiles among our networks. As you know, Enterprise Europe network has more than 50 offices in all over Europe, and we are trying to achieve this process now. And that's, I want to mention all of that. If you have any questions about the process or anything, I can answer now or later in the coffee break. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mustafa. Very impressive PowerPoint. I don't know how you do that, but any question? Yes.
Hello, I'm Guy Robinson from the UK Intellectual Property Office. Was the driver for the contest to increase patent applications to the Turkish Patent Office?
Can you repeat again,
Sorry.
please?
Was the driver for the contest to increase patent applications to your patent office?
This is not the aim of this process. We are aiming to increase the patent applications for us, for the search, not the Turkish Patent Institute.
And how was the contest promoted?
The steering committee of the invention contest promoted that, and for our site, we have a great database of the SMEs and academicians within the Enterprise Europe network, and we disseminated these services via this database. And also, as I said, we are organizing the conferences in Turkey, and also we have distributed the brochures of this service among the audience.
And how many applications did you foresee having, and having had 19, was that a success, or did you hope for more?
This is success, I think, the 19 applications for the invention. 8 of them are applied for the patent searches. As you know, this is the free of charge, and the main obstacle in Turkey, if you are performing a free of charge service, is they think that it's not going on the right way. It's the main obstacle, and this small amount of patent search requests is because of that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Is there another question? No? Perfect timing. Thank you, Mustafa.
Thank you very much.